Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you a few strategies how we can make money with Amazon affiliate. This video is going to have 3 parts. The first thing are going to be my tips and tricks for you, then also my journey. Then I will show you the program that you should definitely use if you want to make money with Amazon affiliate, and then I'm going to show you the ways how you can make money. Now, really important for me to say is this: it's going to take time. And what you should focus on is something called snowball. The more things you're going to review, the more videos that you're going to create, the more articles you're going to write, and you're going to actually research what you want to write about, the more money you're going to make. Let's say, yes, straight up from the beginning in 2-3 months, you're not going to make a lot of money. But half year from now, 2 years from now, it's going to snowball for you. So that's something you should focus on. Think really long term if you want to work with Amazon affiliate or whatever affiliate. That's what I believe in. Now, the second thing that I have for you, that focus on processes and try to really optimize your work so you can put up as much content as you can in a time that you are here. From your health perspective, from the perspective of not reacting to social media, literally make your day as effective as you can, but don't forget on chill out time and leisure. That's really important for charging those batteries in you. Now, when I was starting out with the affiliate, I remember that my first week when I made 20 euro. And it made me so happy. Like, you can imagine, I even screenshot it to my friend that, hey, Thomas, look how much money I made. My first week and I made 20 euro. It made me so damn happy that, yes, I can do it. Furious right now, I make from 10 to 15K a month. So that's like 20 euros like mech, but you got me. I'm still really thankful for it. And that's something you should definitely focus on. Is like get the ball, rolling out. Now let's go and let me show you the program that you should definitely use if you want to work with the Amazon affiliate. So how Amazon affiliate works. If you want to create, let's say, videos about, I have a Logitech mouse here and I would like to create videos about it. But I know that not only the Amazon from the US are going to buy my products, but also from different countries. So what you should focus on is, let me go Amazon affiliate countries. You see it right here: India, Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, Germany, Italy, Spain, France, Netherlands, etc. And what you need to do is actually create every single Amazon account in those countries. And then let's say that I will be reviewing Logitech, and let's say you'll be creating 2-3 videos a day. In that regard, you need to forward one link in every single affiliate program, just like paste it there and create affiliate link. So, and that's like really, really time consuming. What Genius Link does, you will have a link down below in the description, definitely check it out. What Genius Link does is that it's going to automate this whole process for you. What does it mean? Is that in Genius Link, you're going to connect all your Amazon accounts from the France, from the Germany, from the Italy, everything. And then, okay, it was too light. You're going to connect all your accounts to your Genius Link one account, and you have only one link. And it will automatically redirect the viewer, which is going to click on a link, to the particular Amazon.com, Amazon Britain, or Amazon Germany, based on his location. So you get the commission. If, really important for me to say, if you're gonna get a German guy clicking on your link and he's going to be on Amazon.com, you're not going to get any money, any commission at all. Because then he needs to be redirected to Amazon of Germany store, and then you're done. You're not going to make any money at all. So this is really important. And another thing, with the Genius Link, what is going to happen, if you're going to paste the link there from the product, it's going to automatically create all the links for you. So you don't have to create manually those links. And it's going to, every single day, it's going to take you so much time. You can't even imagine that. So that's something you should definitely focus on. And definitely check out the Genius Link if you want to save time and you make your links and everything effective and clean. Another thing, they're actually really good at optimizing, and let's say they're gonna have broken links, it's going to like write you down that notify you that you get broken link and you have to do something about it. So genius link, that's really good what you can do. Now when we go even further, then you have something called Amazon commission income rates, which are changing all the time. So you see luxury beauty, luxury 10%, music, physical music, handmade, digital videos 5%, and then you see the fashion, men's, kids, private label, store fashion, apparel. You see the percentage of the commission that you would get if someone is going to buy the product. And now how we can actually make money. So let's say that I'm going to create YouTube videos about Lightspeed G703 or like whatever Logitech mouse I got. What I can do is to create versus videos. What you could do is to buy product from Amazon and then like return it to 30 days. So you like, let's say you don't have thousands of dollars on your account to buy multiple products and making reviews for it. What you can do is to buy the product, then return it until you get the ball running, so you don't really care about buying multiple products. So that's what I would definitely recommend. Another way what you can do, and it's not actually even buying the product, is to create YouTube videos in which you would be creating top 5. Let's say I would make mouses for gamers or for gaming. You can see it right here, top tag now.
The best, but
and this guy, what he's doing is that he's taking official videos, not only making money from AdSense, or like as you can see, these are just pictures. What he's doing is just like reading description of the product many times. So this is something you can do. You can do the videos like top 5, top 3, and then have the Amazon links in the description. Look at this. See? And then have links down below in the description. And this is something you can definitely do. And you can automate the whole process. And if you want, I can help you with that. You would have a link down below in the description. And I can help you how you can make money on Amazon without actually owning the product. So this is something really good. And there are like plenty of companies, but you have to put out the content. You have to really optimize it and processes. What you need to do is to take the description, just read it out, then have pictures which are showing, and then links in the description. In November, December, you would explode how much money you're going to make on it. Like so much money. So that's something that I would definitely recommend to check it out. And this is another way how we can make money. You can do the reviews and just return the product, or you can make a comparison, but you have to research. If you want to create the comparison videos, you have to actually research it. So we don't do, let's say that I'll be making Logitech G502 versus, see? And this is not really even dominated. This would be fine, but Razer, look at this. Like this is too much. Too many videos. Let me show you. Too many videos. Too much competition. You don't want to do it. You want to find those which are, let's say, a new product that you would review, and then have comparison, and then have tutorials on the product. That's the way to go, my brother. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support. You know how it goes. You know how it is. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.